In today's video, I will show you how I made $158 in less than a week, specifically in 6 days, and how you can do the same. Of course, I am referring to Pictory, a multi-tool platform. A platform that uses artificial intelligence for video production and many other digital tasks. If you want to sign up for Pictory right now, do it through the affiliate link you will find in the video description. And this is essentially one of the ways you can make money. Let's get straight to the technique so I don't tire you out. So, 6 days ago, I did this here. The video on YouTube, in which I presented Pictory and an idea for passive income. So how can you, using an AI platform like Pictory, make money without doing anything? Without showing yourself on YouTube, you can do it. This platform does it all for you. If you haven't seen that video, I'll also leave it in the video description. How Pictory works. What I'll say briefly here is that we have a text, and by pressing this function here, from this text on its own, Pictory, using AIs, produces videos, small scenes, and creates a big video for us. Indeed, it even adds subtitles to this video, does everything. It can make it in the form of a short video for platforms like TikTok, for YouTube Shorts, etc. But it can also make it into a long video. Normally, to upload it on YouTube, without showing yourself, without doing anything extra. I repeat, in the video description you will find the affiliate link for Pictory. So what I did and what I recommend you do as well, because it offers huge potential and profit, beyond the fact that you can create your own videos. As I describe the entire technique right here in this video, a 21-minute video. In this video, if you look below, as I mentioned, I've naturally included it here as well. In the video description, there's the affiliate link. That is, if someone uses my affiliate link and subscribes to Pictory, I earn a commission. And let's go ahead and show you the numbers. You can see that in less than a week, I made $158 from just one video. I haven't made another video about Pictory. I haven't written an article. I haven't posted it anywhere, not even on my page. I haven't talked about Pictory anywhere, just from one 21-minute video. But pay attention, we're talking about 1 week now, right? This was uploaded a week ago, and it will stay forever. The video on my channel, as long as this channel exists, the video will be there. It has potential in the long term, in 2 years, 3, 5, 10, to make money for me as long as the channel exists, and as long as Pictory exists. Of course, this program can also, it has huge potential to make money for me. $158. It's just the beginning. It's a new video. I haven't talked about Pictory before and I've made $158, and you can do the same. As you can see, from this video alone, I had 107 clicks. I had 43 referrals. What does that mean now? 107 people clicked on the affiliate link. Out of those, 43 tried the free trial, because it also has a trial period. And then 5. Only from those became customers, meaning they purchased the subscription, just like I have. Obviously, we're talking about content creators. We're talking about entrepreneurs. We're talking about people who might want to start now. A channel on YouTube, on TikTok, anywhere, and they need this tool. Because as we said, in that video, it makes things much easier for you. Therefore, just from 5 customers, I have made this amount here. Now, what's the nice part? Pay attention for a moment. Pictory gives you a commission for affiliate marketing, 20%. And pay attention to what happens, it's recurring. This is the key in affiliate marketing, one of the keys. If you want to make a lot of money, you need to find a subscription-based platform. So, this customer who bought the subscription once, if they purchase it again next month, to renew their subscription next month. And I estimate that they will, because Pictory is an amazing tool. As a content creator, you really need it for your work. You get another 20%. The next month, again 20%, again and again. And note, it doesn't stop here. So, every month that they renew their subscription, you get 20% of the subscription's value. However, if this content creator, because as we said, these 5 people who got this tool intend to create videos or are creating videos, they might be YouTubers, they might be doing affiliate marketing. So what will they do? They will likely use the same program that I use and that I am telling you to use. For this reason, I am making this video precisely to show you that what I do, you can do too. It is a very profitable method, which is why I am showing you my results. Yes, this amount is not huge, but we are talking about just one video. We are talking about potential. We are talking about continuous commissions. Every time someone renews, you earn passive income every month. You do the work once. I made the video once. And as long as these customers exist or new ones come, I will be earning commissions every month. So if these customers, because as we said, they are affiliate marketers, they are YouTubers, whatever they are, they also do affiliate marketing and promote it to their own audience. They bring me sub-affiliates. So if a YouTuber here, let's say that out of these 5 people, one is a big YouTuber, alright, and they make a video just like the one I made right here, and they tell people how to use Pictory and present it because it's an amazing tool. This is another aspect of affiliate marketing that we'll discuss shortly. This amazing tool is presented to their audience, And if 10 people come from this one of my affiliates, these 10 automatically become my sub-affiliates, and I earn a 10% commission from each of them, and not just once. Every month. Every month when they renew their subscription. This, as you can understand, is crazy. The earning potential of this platform is insane. And let's talk about the other aspect I mentioned, about the product itself. It's important in affiliate marketing, as I mentioned, because it's a great tool that you like and use it yourself, the product. As you have understood, I am very passionate about Pictory. As I told you, I make all my videos with it. These are the latest videos I made. Since I discovered Pictory, I've been making them like crazy. I use it for this, for TikTok, and for Shorts. I use it for everything. And what does that mean? If you're promoting a product that's generally bad, it's crappy, and you're doing it just to get the commission, to make money, it won't work in the long run. If you love something, you're already using it, you pay for the subscription, you use it for your work, and you promote it to others. Because you know that since you're making some money, you know it will help people and someone can make money from it. By using the same platform, only then are there enormous possibilities. Profit. This is very important, then, in affiliate marketing to keep in mind. We don't always go for high commissions or something that isn't good, just because it will give us a quick profit, but for something we ourselves trust. And we simply share it with our audience. Affiliate marketing is an excellent way to create passive income because, as I mentioned, even if you don't upload videos and you've made just one and you're bored, you don't want to make another to promote a product. As long as this video exists on your channel, whether on YouTube, TikTok, or if you have a blog, a page, anywhere you place the affiliate link, it will earn you a commission. That's what's great about affiliate marketing, that it is purely passive income. You do the work once and then it automatically generates money for you. So, I will leave all those links I mentioned below in the video description. This video is to show you in detail how Pictory works, if it suits your business as a content creator, if you want to use it to develop something on social media. As always, stay away from scams and see you in the next video.